welcome to part 2 of me not being prepared. Here we are on the coast right now. I found a gas station. I finally got cell service, and it's a 76 that is about 15 miles away, and I have 16 miles of range. The good thing about this right now though is we're going downhill, so I've been coasting for about 2-3 minutes now, and I'm gonna coast for as long as I possibly can. And the problem with going uphill when you're low on gas is that most cars, and you know, hopefully Honda did a better job with their fuel system, but I know that most cars, when you're going uphill and you don't have a lot of gas, it can create some problems with like sucking the gas into the engine. Sorry, I'm a little flustered right now, as you can imagine. Of course, out of everyone to like run out of gas, it's gonna be me. What's new, guys? What is new? Nothing's new. Same old story. One of these days I'll learn. So I still have 16 miles of range, and now we're down to 14 miles until the gas station. So we're making some progress. Here we go. Oh fuck. Here's the friggin' uphill. This is where I'm gonna lose progress. Now I'm at 13 miles of range with 12 miles to go. I've been coasting for about a minute and a half. I really hope this works. And yes, I do understand that even when your car tells you 0, a lot of people say that your car has like a reserve. I'm just not trying to find out what it's like to starve your car of fuel. You know what I mean? Oh, here we go. Here is the big reveal. I gotta take Vivian out here next weekend. I really wish she should have come with me. Hey, is the closest gas station the 76 down there? I did see the gas pumps there, but those are clearly non-operational. Holy shit, dude. 12 miles of range on the car and 11 miles to go to the gas station. I need to gain some momentum. And of course, we're gonna come up on some... Guys, you know me. You know I'm a very sentimental person. I say that a lot. Holy shit. This place will always mean a lot to me, even though I've only been out here once. Because me and Vivian had a beautiful wedding out here in Bodega Bay. I don't know if I've ever told you guys this, but on our wedding day, which was August 25th, so it's been a while now, I had been drinking all day. So I started drinking at, I don't know, like noon or 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I got a little too excited, and I'm not very conditioned. I'm a lightweight, okay? I'm a cheap drunk. I was the first to pass out on my own wedding night, I think at like 10:30 p.m. and everyone else stayed up till 1 o'clock in the morning dancing and playing games and stuff. Yeah. See, guys, the more you watch my videos, the more you'll understand how I operate. It's just the way I am. I don't know what to do about it. Actually really impressive. I might actually do an experiment sometime with this car. 8 miles of range and 2.5 miles to the gas station. So what I'm learning is that if you baby the crap out of this thing, then you can get really good gas mileage. We might make it. Yeah, see my average fuel oh, okay, well there's a deer. that's nice. I mean, that could have been bad. As I'm trying to show you guys my fucking speedometer. It never ends. Yeah, you know what? I'm just now realizing that the window being down is not helping my gas mileage, so. I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed. You know, if I wasn't in the military, I could probably have a reality TV show. Because there's always something. I'm gonna coast. 1.1 miles to the gas station. Guys, we're gonna freaking make it. Back when we were pulled over way down there, way back there, like 40 minutes ago, I had 20 miles of range. So 40 minutes of driving, and I've only used 13 miles worth of gas. This is the home stretch. I'm gonna fist pump for Ronnie. I'm gonna make it. Watch this fucking gas station not even exist anymore, or watch them be all out of gas. I'm not gonna use my brakes, even though I'm going 20 over. I'm gonna coast just to be frickin' safe. Where's this goddamn gas station? There it is. It's a Chevron, even better. So if they don't have E85, what I'll do is just get the best quality octane booster I can. Oh my freaking god, guys. We just pulled this off. Oh, okay. Well, that one's out of order. See? I knew there was gonna be something up with this. Dude, it's ridiculous. I made it.
I know.
Dude.
I'm super excited for you.
Oh my god. Does everyone else know that I was out of gas?
I don't think so.
Yeah. They're probably all like, what the hell was that like last 45 minutes all about?
When he said a little bit, I was like, yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. Guys, Ronnie, he's too good of a guy. He did not have to do that at all. I have money, but he just cares, man. He's just happy to be here. He's happy to be with friends, having a good time. And he just like walked over and started putting gas in the car. Obviously I tried to stop him, but I mean the guy's like a foot taller than me, and I'm not trying to fuck with that guy. So, oh yeah, Ronnie was saying that because I was trying to radio to Ronnie when I first noticed, like when my gas light first came on. This was like an hour ago. So apparently Ronnie could hear me, but he tried to respond, he couldn't respond. So I don't know if that's my walkie-talkie or his or what it was, but those cars. And yeah, I don't think everyone knew. I think only a couple people knew that I was low on gas. Did you even know that I was low on gas?
Yeah.
Oh, you did? That's what, yeah. I think
I remember last stop, you're like, next stop I gotta find a gas station because you only had like 100 miles or something.
I landed here with 7 miles
Oh,
of range.
geez.
So
Mine's got like a quarter tank, but
okay, yeah. Nuts. Did you know that I was like literally out of gas?
No, I think earlier I heard you say you had 100 miles left.
Yeah, that's why we were going so slow.
Oh, okay.
And I was trying to radio it to everyone else, but there was a problem with the radios, I guess. So, oh boy, look at this. All right, so we're gonna be going to the beach. That'll be our last stop, and then you know, we'll all be going our separate ways. There are a lot of us that are going to be going back to the Sacramento, Roseville, Rockland area, so we'll obviously be driving together on that way back. It's going to be like a 15-20 mile stretch right along the coast. I don't know if this is the PCH or not. Doesn't look like much of a highway. cell service, I'm just following the people in front of me. We're making one last stop. Holy crap, I've been out of the house since 6 a.m. and it's 1:01. It's been a lot of fun though. It's gonna be a 3-hour drive back to Rockland. Wow. We lost a couple people and I mean, we have such a long line of cars. This is wild. For everybody who came, who's watching this right now, thank you very much for showing up. This is amazing.
For a minute, I was wondering where we were going.
I think I might just take one day.
Just as a day trip,
and
right?
bring Vivian out here and just kind of chill out.
I'm guessing this is not where you proposed.
No, it's not.
Because that would have been the spot.
Oh.
Top of that cliff, right? Yep. When you said, I proposed to Vivian, that's what I imagined. That you were like, over there. It's Goat Rock.
Goat Rock.
Greatest of all time.
I'm gonna walk over there. So.
Greatest of all time.
The Goat Rock.
Wow, this is gorgeous. So you've been here a couple times?
Yeah, this was like 2 years ago. This was the first time we were here. Like, we did like a V shape.
Okay. Yeah, it's
And,
packed today. And I can see why. I mean, it's a beautiful
So usually
place.
when we come here, we come super early. There's no traffic, and we just park right in the center.
Yeah.
So that's okay.
Yeah.
There's always next
Yeah.
time.
I mean, we got every car here, so that's good.
So once you're like on the road and you're just going side to side, you kind of get a little sleepy because you're being rocked to bed, you know?
Yeah.
The hypnotic.
Chasing you guys is fun.
Yeah, you shouldn't have pulled off. You were doing great.
Yeah, that was intense.
No, you guys were riding on me. I was like, oh, I'll let him go.
A lot of people were pushing it. We were flying for a while there. Like, that was fun.
Yeah.
There wasn't anybody slowing it down, you know?
Yeah, chasing you guys, I think I got up to 95 at one point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bleep that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just 95.
Yeah, you got up to 45 miles an hour. I'm finally getting home. This has been a super long day. This car has been operating very hard for just over 10 hours straight. So I'm very impressed. It's gonna be so nice when we move into our house and I have a garage that I don't have to squeeze into so tightly. Oh my God, I can't even talk right now. I'll see you guys inside. Come here, you cat. You fat cat. It is actually Wednesday the 26th. I'm about to film a video with the BRZ. Yesterday we paid our escrow deposit on the house. And we also got an inspection, passed with flying colors. It was built in 2015, so still a pretty new house. Pretty excited about that. So about that group drive, yeah, that was a really close call. Honestly, I had anxiety when we were in the middle of the woods and I had no cell service. I thought that I was going to run out of gas and I was going to have to park the car and, you know, someone was going to have to go to a gas station, get a gas can. I was pretty stressed out about that, but I can't believe I made it. I don't know. But seriously, thank you everybody who came on that drive. That was really cool. I can't believe there were 29 other cars that showed up. It was a whole day thing. And I would like to do another one of those, you know, like an entire day. But in the meantime, I want to do some more get-togethers closer to town. And by town, I mean Sacramento, Roseville, Citrus Heights, Folsom even. And hang out, and maybe go for just a little highway cruise or some more twisty roads here and there. So if you guys know any good spots, please comment them down below. Or you can always direct message me on Instagram. And also something we could do is get together before like an existing car meet and then go and crash it. That's all I have. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on Friday. Thanks for watching. Charlie, speak. Speak. That's not speak. Speak. No, that's not speaking. That's hello. Thank you. Lay down. That's the wrong way. You're twisting yourself up, baby. You're twisting yourself up. Can you meow? Can you meow for YouTube? Please? Cleo, I want you to meow. I want you to make the cat noises. Do cat stuff. Do cat stuff. Please do some cat stuff. Alright. You didn't do any fucking cat stuff.